Amber Heard was once again caught lying to the authorities. What is the most recent information regarding Amber Heard's lies, and is she going to jail? More than 5 years after they split up, Johnny Depp prevailed in his $50 million defamation lawsuit against his ex-wife this April in a Virginia courtroom. Since Amber was exposed for lying and even falsifying documents during the trial, it shouldn't come as a huge surprise. Let's find out what the most recent, stunning Heard disclosures are. Amber tried to fake paperwork within the courthouse, but was she doing it because she was sure she would lose? To find out, keep watching the video till the end. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Amber Heard, an actress, may be sentenced to jail time in connection with allegations that she altered photos of injuries in her legal dispute with Johnny Depp. Actress Amber Heard may potentially receive a term if her defamation attorney, Aaron Mink, believes there is mounting proof that she is fabricating information while testifying. In addition to being extremely serious, falsifying evidence is also highly insulting to the legal system, advised Mink. I would keep hoping that prosecutors would take a good look at it because if there is very clear proof that she did that, that should surely be regarded, he said. If it was proved that that was the case, and there are definitely some queries being raised in the trial right now, that could possibly lead to criminal charges and jail time, he added. Amber's fabrication of documents inside of court has been exposed by leaked video footage. Amber Heard was frequently spotted making notes on paper while listening to the opposite side speak during the highly publicized defamation trial between actors and ex-couple Johnny Depp and Heard. Finally, disturbing new information has emerged that reveals what she was doing and what was being written in these notes all along. Amber Heard was ultimately found guilty by the jury in the well-publicized Virginia defamation case between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard after 6 weeks of testimony, accusations, and shocking admissions. Amber, however, continued to make frantic efforts, even if they involved breaking the law, until the very end to try to salvage a victory. Netizens are busy conducting a cross-examination of the courtroom scenes online as the multi-million-dollar defamation trial's appeals process progresses. The actress from Aquaman, who was frequently spotted taking notes in a notebook throughout the trial's witness testimony, has drawn the ire of a number of online users. Many videos of Heard writing on the notepad were posted online by Depp's followers. Heard was shown in the videotapes appearing to do so just for the cameras, which caused them to become viral online. The original notion was based on a number of YouTube videos showing close-up views where it was plain to see that Heard's pen wasn't even touching the notepad. And Heard soon became the target of online trolls who were fans of the Pirates of the Caribbean performers. I just watched a TikTok where Amber Heard pretended to write during the trial even though the pen did not touch the paper. "What the F?" a user exclaimed. Another person commented, "This explains all the note-taking. Fictitious, just like the abuse." Another person made a joke about Amber Heard signing the donation check to the club. But it now appears that this was all a ruse by Amber to intimidate people and prevent them from learning about her genuine motivations. Amber may have been involved in something far more nefarious than it initially appears. Is it possible that the Rum Diary actress was actually fabricating documents during the trial in order to have false evidence to support her innocence? This theory is exceedingly improbable given that Amber and her legal team were unable to conclusively demonstrate that she was abused until the very last second of the trial. They only had witness reports from untrustworthy sources and photographs that were taken out of context to support their assertions. Amber may have used these strategies to strengthen her claims against Johnny in a last-ditch effort to win the case. She was unfortunate enough to get caught in the act after her plan was made public and was clearly seen by everyone. Amber has a history of falsifying documents, so this wasn't the first time she did it, as people have been quick to point out on social media. According to a tweet from 2020, Amber is heard admitting to abusing Johnny Depp on tape, being detained for domestic violence against her ex-wife Tassia Banry, emotionally abusing Kate James, hitting her sister, admitted to forging documents, engaging in perjury, and contradicting her own accounts. She was also arrested for domestic violence against Tassia Banry. Do you find this video interesting so far? Then go ahead and press the like button. Also, share it with all your friends who'll enjoy it as well. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel too. Heard has been charged with lying by the lawyers for Depp about everything from needing to use cosmetics to hide alleged bruising from Depp to failing to donate the $7 million from their divorced settlement to charitable organizations. A partner at the law firm Hodge, Jones & Allen, Sean Caulfield, then told Mail Online that Heard may face a perjury probe in the UK as misleading a court cuts to the foundation of our judicial system. In response to the question of whether he could envision police looking into allegations that she may have lied under oath about donating her $7 million, he replied, "I guess so. The police may be called in to conduct an investigation to demonstrate that anyone in the public who lies before a court can be prosecuted for perjury, even though perjury may not be a major problem in the case. Perjury is the single biggest threat to our legal system." Additionally, Amber Heard was charged by Johnny Depp's attorneys with altering images to exaggerate her supposed wounds. Heard was interrogated by Camille Vasquez, Depp's attorney, during her cross-examination throughout the trial. She was charged with increasing the saturation to make Heard's face appear more red. Vasquez located images of Heard's alleged wounds that were nearly identical and taken on the same day, May 21, 2016. With the exception of one image that does seem to have more saturation, the photographs, which were displayed side by side, are hardly discernible from one another. Heard's face is redder, and her hair also seems to be going blonder. Heard said that the image with the most saturation was shot in a vanity mirror with yellow-colored lights, while the image with the least amount of saturation was taken in a mirror without vanity lights. "Is it correct to assume that you recently edited these photos?" asks Vasquez of her. "Didn't you just increase the saturation to give the look of a redder face?" Amber Heard testified that she did not alter the image and that she had never changed a photo. If Amber Heard were to be found guilty of perjury once more, it wouldn't be the first time. In Australia, she has already entered a guilty plea. After being accused of sneaking the couple's 2 Yorkshire Terriers, Pistol and Boo, into Australia in 2015 while on vacation, Amber Heard, along with husband Johnny Depp, entered a guilty plea to fabricating immigration documents in an Australian court. According to recent reports, Amber Heard's alleged act of perjury will be the subject of an investigation. Amber Heard's decision to bring her 2 canines into Australia without declaring them particularly infuriated Australia's Departments of Agriculture, Water, and the Environment. The situation has become so bad that Barnaby Joyce, a former Deputy Prime Minister of Australia, thinks Amber Heard ought to be locked up. This user's description of Amber as a criminal suggests that her Twitter followers believe she also belongs in jail. You've been ignoring the fact that Amber Heard was detained and held overnight after being charged with abusing her ex-partner. She misled the UK High Court about her charitable giving. She is being looked into for perjury in Australia. You are aiding and abetting a thief. #Amber Heard a service prison. Another supporter said, "Jail time for her false charges and many counts of perjury is the only thing Amber Heard deserves more than the public's justified outrage against her." To the authorities, this user draws their attention to Amber Heard's past and family tree. Amber Heard was detained for operating a vehicle without a valid license. Amber Heard admitted to lying to the police and fabricating paperwork. Police saw Amber Heard hitting her ex, and she was detained as a result. Only she has been detained for domestic violence. That's all for now, everyone. Do you believe that Amber fabricated documents in order to help her case? Do you think Amber Heard belongs in jail? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, Amber Heard's financial manager revealed that she wasted $7 million. Want to know how? Then watch the video on the screen right away. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you again soon. Bye.